The Magic Recipe. In a small town called Willow Creek, there lived a young girl named Mia. Mia loved to cook with her grandmother, who was famous for her delicious meals. One day, Mia found an old, dusty book in the attic. It was her grandmother's recipe book. Excited, Mia opened the book and saw a recipe for magic chocolate cake. The recipe promised that whoever ate the cake would feel happy and loved. Mia decided to bake the cake for her friends who were feeling sad. Mia gathered all the ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, and of course, chocolate. She carefully followed the instructions, mixing everything together with joy. The smell of chocolate filled the kitchen, making Mia smile. While the cake was baking, she thought about how her friends would feel when they tasted it. When the cake was finally ready, Mia decorated it with colorful sprinkles and fresh berries. She invited her friends over for a surprise. When they arrived, their faces lit up with curiosity and excitement. Mia served the cake, and her friends took their first bites. Suddenly, their frowns turned into big smiles. They laughed and shared stories, feeling the warmth of friendship around the table. "Thank you, Mia. This cake is amazing," one friend said. Mia realized that it wasn't just the magic of the recipe, it was the love and joy shared among friends that made the cake special. From that day on, Mia always cooked with love, knowing that food has the power to bring people together.